Today, I am reviewing the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11S OMNICYCLONE Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are tired of spending your weekends vacuuming and mopping, the new ECOVACS DEEBOT X11S OMNICYCLONE might be the most tempting upgrade you have seen all year, but it comes with a few trade-offs you really need to understand before you drop that much cash. I have been running this unit in my home for the past 2 weeks to see if that massive suction power actually translates to a cleaner floor, or if it is just a spec sheet flex. Let us start with the elephant in the room, which is that 30,000 pascals of suction. On paper, it sounds like overkill, and in reality, it is incredibly impressive. I tested this on a high-pile rug that usually traps pet hair and fine crumbs, and the X11S managed to pull out debris that my previous robot left behind. It is genuinely powerful. However, that raw power does mean the unit gets quite loud on its maximum setting. If you are working from home or trying to watch a movie, you are definitely going to want to schedule this for when you are in another room. You can check the link below the video if you want to see the current pricing and see if the performance justifies the cost for your specific floor plan. The standout feature for me is the Bagless OMNICYCLONE station. Most robot vacuums force you to keep buying proprietary dust bags, which adds up over time and feels wasteful. ECOVACS finally ditched that requirement. The station empties the robot effectively, and because it is bagless, you are not losing suction pressure as the container fills up. The maintenance on the station itself is straightforward, though you do have to be prepared to rinse out the dustbin occasionally, which is a bit of a messy task compared to just tossing a bag in the trash. When it comes to mopping, the OZMO roller system is a significant step up from the standard spinning pads you see on most competitors. Because it uses a roller that constantly refreshes with clean water, it actually scrubs the floor rather than just dragging a damp cloth over it. I noticed it handled dried-on coffee spills in my kitchen without needing a second pass. The TruEdge 3.0 system is also legit. It physically extends the mop to reach right up against the baseboards. It is not perfect, and it will not get every single speck in a 90-degree corner, but it is much closer to a manual mop job than anything else I have tested recently. The navigation and obstacle avoidance are generally solid, thanks to the AI-powered sensors. It had no trouble navigating around my dining room chairs, and it correctly identified a stray charging cable on the floor, which is a huge relief if you have kids or pets. That said, it is not infallible. It still struggled a bit with a very thin, dark-colored rug that it occasionally treated as a cliff, so you might need to adjust your maps in the app for those specific areas. If you're curious about how the app interface looks and how you can set up those no-go zones, you can find more details in the links below. The ZeroTangle technology is another win, especially if you have long hair or shedding pets in the house. I checked the brush roll after a week of heavy use, and I was pleasantly surprised to find almost no hair wrap. It really does seem to channel everything into the suction intake effectively. The triple lift system works as advertised, lifting the mop and brushes when it transitions from hard floors to carpet, which prevents your rugs from getting damp. Now, who should avoid this? If you live in a very small apartment or a studio, this massive station is going to be an eyesore. It is bulky, and it needs a fair amount of clearance to function properly. It is clearly designed for larger homes where the automated maintenance features can really shine. Also, if you are looking for a set-it-and-forget-it device that requires zero human intervention, keep in mind that you still need to refill the clean water tank and dump the dirty water tank fairly often. While the station handles the dust, the mopping side of things still requires you to be a bit hands-on. Ultimately, the DEEBOT X11S is a premium machine with a price tag to match. You are paying for that high-end suction, the bagless convenience, and the edge cleaning capability. If you have mostly hard floors and a lot of square footage, this is easily one of the most capable robots on the market right now. If you are mostly dealing with carpets or have a very small space, you might find that you are paying for features you simply do not need. Check the links below the video to see if the current value proposition makes sense for your home, and as always, let me know if you have any questions about how it handles specific floor types.